Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate source for everything Jeep, from rugged upgrades to real-world Amazon reviews. Today we're diving into the best brake pads for Jeep Wrangler JK, carefully tested and reviewed so you can stop smoothly, drive safer, and keep your Wrangler trail ready. Stick around till the end, we've got some pro tips to help your brakes last longer too. Number 5. Wagner QS Disc Brake Pads. The Wagner QuickStop ZD1273 brake pads are a trusted OEM-grade replacement that fits the 2007 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK perfectly. Known for their chamfered edges and low-copper ceramic formula, these pads deliver smooth, noise-free braking. Their unique Wagner-engineered integrally molded backing plate ensures consistent friction material attachment, reducing vibrations and improving longevity. According to Jeep forums and Amazon buyers, Wagner QS pads provide a cleaner wheel appearance with almost no dust residue, even after thousands of miles. They're particularly valued by daily drivers who prioritize a factory-like feel rather than aggressive off-road stopping. The pads' even wear pattern means both rotors and pads last longer, offering great value for the money. Minor downsides include a slightly longer bedding period and softer pedal feel under very heavy braking, but for most Jeep JK owners, these are among the most dependable and quiet options available. Number 4. SCITOO Ceramic Brake Pads. The SCITOO Ceramic Brake Pad Kit is an all-in-one solution for Jeep Wrangler JK owners who want to replace both front and rear pads simultaneously. This 8-piece set fits perfectly on 2007 to 2017 Wrangler JKs and is designed for consistent braking performance at an affordable price. The ceramic compound provides excellent heat dissipation, reducing fade and ensuring stability during long drives or mountain descents. Users often praise how quiet these pads are compared to stock or semi-metallic options. The non-asbestos formula makes them environmentally friendly while reducing rotor wear. Drivers who tow small trailers or drive off-road report steady, predictable stopping without vibration. The included hardware kit simplifies installation, saving time for DIY mechanics. However, a few users mentioned the pads were a bit quicker under very harsh off-road or towing conditions, and initial bedding may produce minor squeaks before they settle in. Number 3. PowerStop Rear Brake Pads. The PowerStop Z36-1274 set is built specifically for trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s, including the Jeep Wrangler JK, aiming to deliver severe-duty stopping power with reduced dust and noise. These pads use a carbon fiber ceramic compound, which boasts a 17% higher coefficient of friction compared to typical OEM ceramic pads. Users frequently praise their consistent performance even when hauling or driving in hilly terrain, conditions where standard pads often fade. Installation is generally seamless. The pads come with premium stainless steel hardware, shims, and thermal scored surfaces to speed up the break-in process. Many Jeep owners appreciate how they behave out of the box, with only a short bedding in needed before full braking performance kicks in. However, in extreme or repeated heavy braking, such as track use, some users mention slight brake fade or warmth-induced softening over time, though it's much reduced compared to stock pads. Also, while dust levels are low, some fine dust may still accumulate under aggressive driving. Number 2. cciyu Professional Ceramic. The cciyu Professional Ceramic Brake Pads are an aftermarket upgrade built to match the fitment and performance requirements of the Jeep Wrangler JK, 2007 to 2017, as well as other related models. These pads use a ceramic/organic blend formula that's engineered to deliver quiet braking, minimal dust, and decent stopping power. According to listings, users highlight that the pads have excellent braking effect, and that their compatibility with OEM pads is spot on, which makes installation straightforward. In real-world use, many Jeep owners report that the cciyu pads reduce the black dust bombs common with stock semi-metallic pads, an especially welcome bonus for preserving the appearance of black wheels. Additionally, some users praise their long life and mild to moderate driving conditions, saying they hold up well over tens of thousands of miles before signs of major wear appear. The kit often includes necessary hardware and shims, so you don't have to hunt for matching clips. However, these pads aren't perfect for aggressive or track-style driving. In high heat or repeated heavy braking scenarios, they may exhibit more fade compared to premium ceramic or carbon fiber options. Also, a few users mention a mild amount of squeal under light braking or cold start conditions. Number 1.
Bendix Priority 1 Ceramic.
The Bendix Priority 1 SBC 1327 ceramic brake pads are engineered for drivers who value quiet braking, smooth stops, and reliable wear resistance. Designed to fit multiple Jeep models, including the Wrangler JK, these pads are built using advanced ceramic friction technology, ensuring long-lasting performance both on highways and rugged off-road terrains. They feature an OE-style fit that makes installation straightforward, with no need for modification or professional assistance. The pads also minimize dust buildup, keeping your rims cleaner for longer periods. Drivers report noticeably less noise and vibration compared to standard semi-metallic pads, making this a perfect upgrade for comfort-focused Jeep enthusiasts. Users on Amazon highlight the consistent stopping power and extended pad life, even under frequent braking conditions. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or daily commuting, the Bendix Priority 1 set maintains braking efficiency without fade. Thanks to its multi-layer shims and thermal scorched surfaces, you get optimal bite right after installation, no long break-in period needed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and ring the bell icon for more Jeep upgrades, Amazon product reviews, and off-road adventures every week.
Drop a comment below and tell us which brake pad you trust for your Wrangler JK.
Until next time, keep it lifted, keep it rugged, and always drive the adventure.